Oh, in the silence, I hear their cries, hidden beneath forgotten skies. Every footprint, every name still remembers the burning flames. Time may cover yesterday, but truth will always find its way. Though the darkness hides the pain, the light will rise again. No secret lives forever, no shadow owns the day. Hope is growing stronger, justice is on the way. The truth remains, it never dies, though hidden deep behind the lies. Every tear, every prayer, heaven knows justice is there. The truth remains. One day, every prayer, heaven knows justice is there. The truth remains. One day, every voice will call your name. Broken pictures on the wall, echoes answer every call. Someone's daughter, someone's son, waiting till the truth is known. Fear may speak with a louder sound, but hope refuses to back down. Every story left untold will shine brighter than gold. No secret lives forever. No secret.
Yes, please. Yes, well done. What's that?
I don't know.
Who dropped it?
I don't know.
What's the content? Did you check?
I don't really know about.
Drop it, please. What could be inside? What's this? What? What is this? Only one of us survived. They are still killing to keep it buried. Don't become number 2. What? Who is this? Sorry. Oh, God. Who dropped this? What's all this? Who dropped this? What? This pendant.
Stop asking questions about Ajowa. Go home, forget the fire.
Who is this? Hello? Who is this? Hello? Private number. What's going? This is becoming more serious than I thought, you know. Adeyemi. Last seen May 18. What's going on here? I need an answer.
You shouldn't be here, my daughter.
Who are you?
Some truths kill faster than poison.
I am a journalist. 12 years ago, this school burnt. 32 children, for crying out loud, died. And something is not just adding up.
The fire didn't burn children, but burned evidence.
Evidence?
Yes. Go now, my daughter, before you two get burned.
No! I need an answer!
Go, my daughter. Leave.
Who are you?
Leave.
Kunle Adeyemi. Who are you? Something is not just adding up. What's going on here?
I was the night guard. And the fire was not an accident. Those children, they saw something they shouldn't have.
What did they see?
Trafficking. Beautiful ladies. Powerful men. Chief Balogun and his friends. Those children saw some documents. And they want to expose it.
What is new about this?
Only one boy escaped. And that is Kunle Adeyemi. And he has been dead to the world for 12 years. 12 good years.
12 years?
12 years.
What? Blood! Mr. Man! Oh, the only evidence I have! Mr. Man! Oh, God! Mr. Man!
My sister, I miss you so much. The world is so empty without you, my pretty sister. Oh dear. Chief Balogun. Nigerian. Ajowa.
A female young journalist.
Who are you?
Kí ló sọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ tó wá kiri? O kò fẹ́ parẹ́ ṣá. Ìyẹn ìwọ náà.
Hello?
Meet me in the school at Joa Community by 2 p.m. tomorrow. No African time.
2 p.m. tomorrow at Joa Community. High school. I think I have to. Kunle Adeyemi. Kunle is alive.
You look like your sister.
Who are you? What do you want? Speak!
I'm Kunle Adeyemi.
What?
Adeze was my friend.
My sister.
Yes. She died protecting the evidence.
Evidence?
Yes, of course. I've been hiding for 12 years. Chief Balogun ordered the fire. His men locked the doors. But I climbed through the ceiling and escaped.
Really?
Yes. The evidence was buried at the edge of the school fence.
The evidence? Who is Chief Balogun? What? Kule! Kule! Oh, another evidence.
In the silence, I hear their cries, hidden beneath forgotten skies. Every footprint, every name still remembers the burning flames. Time may cover yesterday, but truth will always.
Breaking news. Ajowa fire scandal exposed. Chief Balogun arrested for ordering the murder of 32 students.
So, Chief Balogun, this is the end of the race. Is this whom you choose to be? Who is this?
You only cut off one head. The snakes have many.